Welcome! In front of me I have Asus VivoWatch BP and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Asus logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Asus Health Connect application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection, Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on search and type in Asus Health Connect and tap on search. You should see this application, says Asus Health Connect. Let's tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you will need to select the region. You can scroll through the list by swiping up and down, find the region you want to use, tap on it to select it, and then you can tap on OK to confirm. Then tap on Get Started. Here we can select two options: start pairing your Asus VivoWatch or use carrying mode. We want to pair the watch, so select the first option and then tap on Next. Check the box and then tap on Next. And here we can log in into Asus account if you want to, or you can tap on Skip and just use the app without logging in. But if you want to keep your data about the heart rate and stuff like that, it's recommended to make an account because you will be able to keep that data. If you don't care, you can just skip this step. I'm gonna skip it, then tap on Next. Allow the required permission. Tap on Confirm. And here we need to find the Asus app on the list. Tap on it. Oh, my bad. Not this one. The Asus app. Tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access. Tap on Allow. And then we can go back to the Asus Health Connect app. Once you go back, you will see the Please Wait. And here we can select the model of our watch. I'm gonna select the VivoWatch BP. Tap Next. It's gonna start looking for the devices, and after a second or two, it should detect your VivoWatch BP. So let's wait. And here we have it. Now tap on the pairing button, allow the pairing, enter the code from your watch, 912133, tap on OK. And as you can see, it's asking us to register the account if you want to. I'm just gonna close it for now, but I recommend to make an account if you want to use all of the features of the app. And now we can also calibrate our device. I don't have any other measurement device to calibrate the watch, so I'm gonna tap remind me later. But if you have, for example, something you can measure the blood pressure and stuff like that, you could use it to calibrate the watch to give you more accurate results. And once you're done, you should see the health data page, and here you can tap on device and you will see your VivoWatch BP, and it means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.